In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove groups from a community on WhatsApp Web. This is a straightforward process, but can be a bit confusing if you're not familiar with navigating WhatsApp Web. So let's walk through these steps together, ensuring you have a clear understanding and confidence to perform this task. To begin, make sure you have WhatsApp Web open on your computer and are logged into your account. You'll first need to locate the community that contains the group you want to remove. This involves navigating through your community list on WhatsApp Web. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct community, as this is crucial for the next few steps. Once you've clicked on the community, you'll see a list of all the groups it contains. Now, identify and open the group that you intend to remove. It's important to double check that this is the exact group you want to take out, as you wouldn't want to mistakenly remove the wrong one. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a 3-dot menu. This menu holds additional options for managing your group. Click on this menu and a drop-down will appear displaying several options. From these options, you'll need to select Group Info. This action is key to accessing further settings related to the group. When you click on Group Info, you'll see a detailed panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel contains all sorts of information about the group, but for our purpose, you'll want to scroll down towards the bottom of this panel. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the option that reads Remove from Community. Once you find the Remove from Community button, go ahead and click it. But before finalizing your action, WhatsApp will prompt you with a confirmation step. This is a safety measure to ensure that you truly want to remove the group from the community, as this action cannot be undone easily. To confirm your choice, click Remove. And that's it. You've successfully removed the group from the community on WhatsApp Web. Remember, this action does not delete the group entirely. It only removes it from the specific community. The group will continue to exist and function as a normal group chat outside of the community, meaning that the group members can still communicate as usual. I hope this guide made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful WhatsApp Web tips and tricks.